a COVID test.
Hi guys!
Hello everybody!
Welcome back to our channel.
We are the Ndelas.
Yes, we are.
With another great video.
So guys, Happy New Year! Happy New Year guys!
Welcome to our kitchen.
Yes, welcome to our kitchen this New Year.
It's our video number.
Our second video in
the year
2022.
As we continue feeding you vlog after vlog after vlog.
Yeah, so guys, this vlog, we don't want it to be all over the place.
No.
So we will just give you sneak peeks of what happened during the Christmas season and the New Year's season.
Yes.
As some of you know, during Christmas he was at work.
Yeah. So
we'll show you a sneak peek of what he was doing and all that. And yeah, during New Year's we were in quarantine.
Yes, actually 31st, 29th, 31st we were on quarantine.
Yeah, we were in quarantine.
We'll show you what we did.
We couldn't even go anywhere, so we were
yes.
just indoors.
Yeah.
But yeah, we saw fireworks at our backyard.
All over Dubai.
All over Dubai.
Yes.
At our backyard. But yeah,
it was fun. Right?
We'll show you guys all that. It was really fun.
And also what we're going to prepare today is...
Yes, and also what we're going to prepare today is requested by one of you.
Yes.
So today we'll be baking, drum rolls, chips masala.
Chips masala.
Yeah.
We're going to make it the most easiest way we can. And thanks to her, we have a fryer.
Air fryer.
Air fryer. See, I even don't know how to pronounce it. Air fryer.
Yeah.
Which is really good. And looking forward.
Hope you guys Hi guys. Okay, feel bad I've missed this.
You've not missed everything.
I've missed everything.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Is there another one?
No.
No, look, I've missed everything.
Not really. You came. Good thing is that she came, guys. She made it.
Okay.
And I have a footage.
Where?
I have a full footage of everything that happened.
Where?
Someone was recording.
Oh, okay. With your phone?
Yes, with my phone.
But if you fall, who's next to you? I do what's best for me.
Welcome back to our channel. We are the Ndelas. This clip, or rather the video, is going to be a sequence of the days that how we're going to spend our days, if at all this whole thing is going to come out positive. Today in the morning, one of our neighbors tested positive, and so unfortunately we have to quarantine for a day 2 or 3. We just had our test today in the morning. Yeah, and we are here waiting. Let's see how this goes. We're just crossing our fingers and hoping that it's going to turn out negative. But yeah, do I look stressed?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay, she said I don't look stressed. She does. Are you?
I look stressed.
No, she's smiling actually. Anyway, she's talking in the background because she's doing something, and I didn't want to disrupt her, right?
You already disrupted me.
Okay guys, I'll keep you posted as the days come by. See you in the next 6 hours. 6 hours, yes. We're going to tell you, or I'm going to share with what the results say. So guys, it's now more than 8 hours as we're still waiting for our results. As I said earlier, I was going to give you an update of how this whole ordeal is going to turn out. Have something to say? She's speechless. Anyway guys,
I do what's best for me, what's best for you. But if you fall, who's next to you? I do what's best for me and best for you. I know it hurts cause I'm hurt too. I need another you.
At least we made it,
We made it
to this
through
year.
to this year.
Yeah, so happy new year guys, enjoy.
Who's next to you? I do what's best for me and best for you. I know it hurts cause I'm hurt too. I need another you. Take me up slow, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you. And the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control.
Don't forget to like,
Share.
and subscribe.
And comment down below guys. Let's just pause. Let's pause.
Okay.
We are taking this time to pause for you to subscribe. Just that correct button over there, just press on it. It's free. Just propose us, you know.
Anyway, guys, please subscribe. Tell a friend
Yeah.
to subscribe.
And comment down below and don't forget to like the
Thumbs
video.
up.
Yes. So till next time. Bye.
See you on the next one.